Welcome to unboxing and first look of TVS Gold Pro keyboard. I received this package yesterday. I ordered this keyboard from Amazon and the seller is TVS Electronics itself. So there is no other seller, second party seller. There is the manufacturer himself is selling the keyboard and the delivery was quite bad. I mean, I did not have an experience like this before, especially from Amazon. They just dropped it at my neighbor's home, and my neighbor is my grandmother. So they just dropped my parcel there at the door, and they just went away. And I think they tried to call me once, but somehow I did not pick up. But when I tried to call them back, they did not even tell that you have dropped your parcel there. Please pick it up. And yeah, nothing. And I was just sitting waiting for my package to be delivered. Then I receive an email saying that your package is already delivered. Please rate the delivery or something. Then I gave a proper rating. Yeah, and afterwards I just went out and discovered this package to be lying there at the front door of my grandmother's home, and yeah, I just bought it. And when I unpacked it, it looked something like this. As you can see, guys, there is no air pouches, no foam, nothing. It's just a big box. Inside it is my keyboard. I mean, keyboard box. So at least I expected air pouches or something, air bags to be there inside of it, but nothing. I mean, this kind of pathetic delivery as well as packaging from Amazon is very bad. I mean, just look at it. There is no air pouch or no nothing. At least they should have put some air pouches for support. So this is the keyboard. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So right, I'll have to, so that it's packaged well, as you can see. So I'll have to remove it like this. Wait, I can't record and remove, so I'll just remove it and then record. So I just removed the packet and it comes sealed off like how hot chips are sealed. So I have to remove it. So this is the keyboard, and unfortunately I don't think they sent me, or I don't think it doesn't come with a keycap remover. So it would have been nice if there had been a keycap remover. So this is the new TVS Gold Pro. So yeah, so this is okay. Just test it with my test it on the system. So this is the keyboard. So I have just unpacked it from that cover. It was packed like how hot chips are packed. It was sealed. So yeah, this is the keyboard, and this wire is around not around, it's a little more than a meter long. Yeah, I think that's sufficient for me. And yeah, the key sounds are quite good. And let me show you the back side of it. So this is how the back side looks. There are two, you can just extend your, and you can just heighten it a little bit. Yeah, so let's go and see how does it type, or how do I type with it. So guys, so let's start with the typing review, quick review. So I can't give you a detailed review. So this is the keyboard. So this is TVS Gold Pro, Bharat Gold Pro. So what's new about this is that they say this is splash proof, I mean kind of waterproof, and it's also dust proof, which is relevant to me, and as well as waterproof is quite relevant to me. As well as they say this is antimicrobial, that is I think yeah, I think they must have some new coating or something which is quite resistant to bacteria and all such things. So this is the latest keyboard released by them, Gold Pro, and Yeah, so this is the new Bharat Gold Pro. So this is not the regular Bharat Gold version. This is the Bharat Gold Pro. So let me see how is the experience like when typing and everything. So I have used it since yesterday. I unboxed it yesterday and I have been using it since yesterday, and I find it much better than membrane keyboards. The feel is entirely new. So what I have found generally is that it increases your typing speed. From these kind of keyboards there is no response. You just type and leave it. But from these kind of mechanical keyboards, when you push the button, there's a kind of push given against you by the keyboard. Like if you press it, it's gonna kind of, like how you press a little bit of spring. So it's gonna come back at you a little bit. So the feel is much better, and that feeling I think is, I think is what mechanical keyboards offer against these membrane keyboards, and that feeling is kind of, very responsible for improving your typing speed. So that's my take on this. So let's see how does it sound, and let's see how I'll perform. Yesterday I achieved the speed of 88.6 WPM. So yeah, so today I don't think I can do that much because this is my first I need to get wound up a little bit. But yeah, let's just get done with this. So I think that's enough, and okay, I guess that's enough for this typing review. So the sound is quite nice, as you can see, and yeah, I achieved about 65 WPM. Yeah, that's quite fair since I'm learning, and I still need to work on capital letters and punctuation marks. So my final verdict is that if you want to buy this keyboard, yeah, this is a good keyboard. I paid around 3000 rupees. I think it was selling for 3100 rupees, but I had some Amazon Pay balance left, so coupon left. So I paid around 3000 rupees. It's a good keyboard, and yeah, the speed can improve. The speed can improve a lot, and it saves your keyboard life of laptop, which is quite important for me because once the laptop keyboard gets damaged, it costs a lot, and yeah, and I don't think I would want to keep on typing on my laptop keyboard very hard, which I am, getting a little rough and hard nowadays because of, you know trying to type speed. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helps you to make a decision or something. Thank you.